Okay, so now that we know the basics, we can finally learn about memory's problems and eventually how to fix it, as I believe it's better to learn your foe before you know your foe before you fight against it. So memory is not perfect, it has problems to it. And the basic one that I'm sure all of us have experienced, I'm sure you've done it at least 2 or 3 times today, is transience or forgetting simply. So I'm sure all of you know something today that you probably forgot. Maybe you haven't realized you've forgotten it today, but yeah. And then absent-mindedness, this can be related to lack of focus, and I'm sure you've probably dealt with, you probably exercised this in maybe one of your classes today, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So, and then the next one is blocking or tip of the tongue. So like those little moments where you just don't know that word or the name of that one person that you happen to see, and you end up like, instead of saying like, hey, whoever, you're gonna say like, hey, what's up instead. So, and then there's also misattribution, which is a little less common, but it's basically misrelating something with another. So now, how to avoid it. So there are many methods of improving your memory or helping it out. And mnemonics pretty much encompasses that idea. Even the word mnemonics means memory aid itself. So the first one is focus. The more you pay attention, the more you're more likely to remember. So that should be... And then another good idea is limiting distractions. So say if you have the TV on while doing your homework, I'm sure some of you do that, but again, that kind of makes it a little hard to learn at times. Reminders, this mainly deals with notes. So for example, even if you take notes, that's basically putting more focus into it, so you're more likely to remember, even if you don't have to look back at your notes. So, but even if you do forget, you can look back. Organization, chunking, and associations, those 3 are kind of grouped together. So organization and chunking and association. So it's pretty much just organizing and kind of relating with things with one another. Chunking can be seen in the phone numbers, for example. Thankfully, it's the area code 4-digit style instead of like a 10-digit string. As we talked about earlier, on short-term memory, it can only hold about 5 to 9 digits at a time. So it'd be a little challenging to remember a string of 10 numbers. So, and then acronyms, for example, the colors of the rainbow. Can anybody recite that one?
Roji Biv.
Yeah, so Roji Biv, for example, that's a good one right there. Or recently, as some of you may have learned in biology class, what about the orders of the order of life?
Oh God.
Oh, yeah, the classifications of life.
Oh, Kung Pao chicken on fresh green spinach salad, whatever.
Yeah, so what would they be?
Kingdom, phylum, classification, class.
Just because she isn't in your
Order.
Oh.
F is family. G is
Genus.
Genus. S is species.
Yep. So you got that down. So that's a good example of acronyms right there in mnemonics. So another things you can do is exercise and a healthy diet. And again, another thing we learned in biology, cellular respiration. Your nerves in your brain are cells themselves. So like for example, they obviously need to operate in cellular respiration. What do the cells need?
Oxygen.
Oxygen and
Food.
Water. Energy.
specifically.
Carbon.
Glucose.
Specifically.
Energy.
I'm just yelling.
Oxygen and what plants produce in photosynthesis?
Glucose?
Yeah, oxygen and glucose. So again, that deals with the healthy diet for the glucose, and then the exercise provides like an aerobic activity, helping out circulation throughout the body, so you're bringing the oxygen to those cells as well. So almost all your actions day to day will either directly or indirectly affect your memory, regardless whether you know it or not. So that is a short review about what that one. So memory isn't perfect, we forget day to day. And it can be helped in many ways, like mnemonics and daily actions. So finally at the end, one last question, did you remember? Why don't we try making the green one more time?
Are you serious?
Yeah, just one more time.
Oh, I know. Oh, you do this, right? You open this. Oh, I totally know what to do.
Yeah, Sam. This is why you were born.
This is my purpose in life. Hello. Oh, my Rosie.
This is what I was made to do.
I've got this. Now we're going. Got this. We've got this now. Shoot.
The last 5 minutes, it's okay.
And then we do some crazy things.
Maybe they thought it was over and they're just coming in and checking.
Crap. Okay. I got messed up. Shoot.
Rose, someone
I got messed up. No.
Is this correct so far?
Right. Okay.
So like this. And then we do some coins, right? This is the worst part. Coins.
Wait. Am I? Is this right? No. What? No, I got messed up once and then like messed me up the whole thing. No way, I got this. Okay. So this folds in like this. This
And then
folds in. See how you do that?
oh, it's still like on us.
Oh God, Rose, don't do it.
Do it.
Wait, I don't know what to do anymore, so don't do
No,
it.
you do it. You pull up.
Okay.
You like open it a little bit. I can do this. No, Rose, go away.
Oh, then here's the boat.
do this.
Boat.
Memorize it actually.
Boat part.
Yeah.
Guess what I'm doing when I get home.
Rose, what do I do after this? No, don't point at me.
I'm just looking at your hands.
And then the whips at this.
Just the hands, just the hands.
Now what do I do? It's bad.
Gotta make the head, the neck, and the tail.
Remember how?
Ooh, I almost got it.
Oh yeah, you go like this.
Yeah?
It's gonna be a fat one.
Yes.
Oh, I totally own it. This. It's over.
It's over. It's over. I make cranes for days. For days.
I fail so hard. I can't do the whole
Yo, Sam,
Dang it.
Wait, do I actually put my student number on here?
No, just put the number that you were assigned.
Haley's got good little
That's private information.
crane making hands.
I have my little midge nubby hands.
Yeah, I can't do the boat part. This part I could do last time.
Wait, that's too open. One wing's longer than the other one. I feel like shame. Huh? Oh, you don't remember anything.
Nathan, hold the top triangle.
Did it right.
I
just don't know master.
This thing folds over.
See?
I don't think that's right at all.
I made like 12.
You made 12?
Yeah, and I just gave
You want to
to
write a number on these?
Want me to write my phone number on this? I can so totally do it.
Sup, Mr. Rose? It's gonna rock. I'm remembering. I think I have the best memory.
Just getting the hands in case there's any legal implications.
In the entire class. It's gonna oh, I don't care. I'm on YouTube.
Haley, you done?
Haley's a cheater.
Go cereal on fire.
Why is it longer? And then, don't you like undo
Nice.
She cheated. I watched it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, so that pretty much wraps up the whole lesson. So just thank you. If you have any questions or comments. And just, huh?
She got something to say.
Yeah, go ahead.
Got the movie
Oh,
thing.
movie.
Oh.
My movie thing. Oh,
Oh.
yeah. So, well, I was just wondering if you knew about it. Like in 50 First Dates, she loses her memory every single day. Like it starts over.
Oh, that's interesting.
Do you know like what would have been? I know they say in the movie, but like what would have been damaged?
Are you sure it's not real?
So
It's not like a real case.
So it's basically every day it just goes away.
It starts over. Yeah.
So technically that would be the hippocampus but does she have memories before?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much the hippocampus. Except probably most of it is gone, but there's a little bit because considering she can still remember what happened earlier in the day.
Oh,
she tries to write diary and she can remember sometimes.
Oh, I see. So yeah, that's pretty much something to do with the
I don't
hippocampus.
know if it's a real thing.